Welcome to Decode Chinese Characters.
Today, let's explore this Chinese character. It's one of the earliest pictographs in Chinese writing. It's pronounced
木
and it means wood or tree. When combined with other characters, it forms many everyday words.
木门
It means a wooden door.
木工
It means carpentry or a carpenter.
木屋
It means a wooden cabin or forest cottage. All of these meanings connect back to the core idea of wood. Now let's take a look at how this character has evolved over time. In the earliest oracle bone script, it looked like this. Doesn't it resemble the shape of a tree? That's right. Ancient people used simple strokes to draw the form of a tree, creating a symbol to represent wood or trees. Over time, the shape was gradually refined and simplified into the character we use today. Kind of looks like a Christmas tree, doesn't it? Now, let's read it together.
木木木
It is a single component character. It's made up of just 4 basic strokes: horizontal, vertical, left falling, and right falling. Yes, exactly. These 4 are the simplest strokes. Can you remember them? Now let's practice writing this character, one stroke at a time. No matter how simple or complex a Chinese character is, it follows the same basic writing rules, top to bottom, left to right, and from the outside in. So, the stroke order for it is horizontal, vertical, then left falling, and finally right falling. Simple, right?
木
Is used as a radical in other characters. It can appear on the left side, on the top, or at the bottom. When it appears on the left side of a character, it looks like this. When it's at the top or bottom, it usually looks like this. Now that you recognize,
木
you'll start spotting it in other characters.